Hello. Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will see the new feature, My Account Links Management Control for Site Admin, which we have added in version 7.1. Earlier, we do not have any control on the links of My Account. Either we can disable the entire link or can show all links, but in new version, Site Admin, either Super Admin or Corporate Admin can manage the links. Go to Corporate, under the Corporate Management. Click on Action button, and then select Edit. Scroll down the page. Under Content Settings, we see a new option for My Account links. Here, if we select Default, then all default link are shown in My Account button. If we select None and save the setting, refresh the page on Corporate Front Store, we will see that My Account link will disappear. If we select Custom, then from the list, we need to check the link which we want Corporate Front Store. Click on Save to save the changes. Refresh the page on Corporate Front Store side. We will see only that link which we have checked from the admin. Thank you for watching this video. For more help, please send us an email at support@onprintshop.com.